Whakataka te hau ki te uru. Whakataka te hau ki te tonga. Kia mā kina kina ki uta. Kia mā taratara ki tai. E hia ki ana te āta kura. He tio, he huka, he hau hau. Ti hei mauri ora. Cease the winds from the west, cease the winds from the south. Let the breezes blow over the land, let the breezes blow over the sea. Let the red-tipped dawn come with a sharpened ear, a touch of frost. Sneeze, 'tis the breath of life. Tihei, mauri ora. Ka pai e te whānau, that was the call that came, our wairua. As we've been taught, the wairua will be the medium that will guide us in our mahi, whether we're going to collect rau, leaves for our rongoā, to use that peace and that mindset to turn that in to help someone else. We call on rongo to take those leaves from Te Waunui a Tāne, and with your intent and your love and your intuitive knowledge, and you turn those leaves, those tātara moa, those kawa, those leaves, and that's your rongoā. And the wairua, te wā me te wāhi i ngā taha e rua, will be the medium that guides us. I think that was the same wairua that came to all of us this morning as we turned up, to slow things down, to prepare the harvest, but to prepare ourselves for the journey ahead and the winter season that's coming. And it's just telling us to start thinking about slowing things down so we can maybe do more. And we did that today. We slowed things down even more than we have. We almost, I don't know what you call it, but we were like, we slowed it right down, and it was like, how slow can you go? And that's what the call was this morning. I didn't see anyone complaining about I'm not sweating enough. I think everyone appreciated that wairua that guided us all this morning. So then Huhana could go to mahi. Then Merehini could jump on the aeroplane and fly to Ōtautahi, to the South Island, to do her mahi rangatira and their mahi rangatira. Thank you all for joining me this morning. Thank you for healing and hearing the call. Philippa goes, I might just text him. And her waiter goes, no, he won't let me. Get up. Kahira goes, it's too dark, go away. I just sent back some laughing faces. It says, get up. Thanks for getting up, thanks for turning up, thanks for showing up, thanks for bringing your beautiful selves today, trusting the process. I must have heard yous, and we all slowed down, and even the kayako and the coach is nourished, and unbeknown to me, I needed that too. I had beautiful stretches today. You guys know I've been struggling with that injury. I won't say it's down in my groin, because I went Harry hard out when we first started this series. I was going like it was the old days, like 8 years ago. I was like, let's go! How many bloody squats can you do and touch your bum on the ground and let's go. And then, oh shit, what happened there? I thought I'd rip my underpants, but I'd rip more than that. But today was the first time I could actually do some of those side lunges. I really enjoyed it. I want to thank you guys. I want to thank the wairua, which is the medium that guides us. I want to wish you all love. And after all, it takes a bigger person to receive than to give. Aroha atu, aroha mai. E rongo whakairia ki runga, kia tina, haumi e, unity, hui e, gather in unity and like-mindedness. Tae ki e, it is done in my mind. Now the body will follow. What's for breakfast? Have a beautiful day. Stop mucking around. See you guys later.